Welcome to Rajbhavan Hall.
This is also very earlier Kalika Devi motifs.
So valuable place. Valuable place.
This is ancient, more than 3,000 years old.
So you write something, then people can understand it. Either in Hindi or even local language. Or English is there.
This is Kalika Devi's dating.
Something maybe put it there.
And these are very valuable.
People in and around this temple, they understand. Nation level. Anyway, in my book I do
This is one deity.
Kushal Kalyan Yatra. I have covered more than half of the places of worships in Goa now. I will complete within 1 week all the these types of temple and certain churches and mosques. And the purpose is a mass prayer before the Almighty for the welfare of the people, welfare of Goa, and the unity and integrity of the nation. Prayer before that. That I am doing, and through that process I got wonderful ideas, because each and every temple tells the story of good people of Goa, their Portuguese arrival here, and certain atrocities here, and by overcoming that, how the people, these temples, and the temple is concerned very neat. Here also very neat. When I reached here, I saw a pakka godly place, and I'm happy. And Kushal Kalyan Yatra. This is my 5th Yatra. First Yatra was Gramin Samparka Yatra. That's over. Then forest areas, and I have published a book on the great trees of Goa in our forests and in our other places. And thirdly, all islands I covered. And fourthly, hill areas. And fifthly, this Yatra. So, supreme under the system, under the constitution is people. All are serving the nation and people. Government is also bound to serve the people, not a superior body over the people. So that is why I am conducting all these yatras during the last 4 years, and I am very happy that Temple Yatra giving me more courage, more realization of the truth, and in that way our Honorable MLA also is a wonderful person in India. I studied about him. He is a roaring practice, and he is widely accepted as one of the best eye surgeons in Goa. And even my wife consultation, I sent her to our doctor, and at the same time serving the people also. He is spending time. So it's a miraculous thing. I congratulate him, and thank you very much for all of it.
गव्हर्नराची विजीट आशिल्ली. आज त्यांच्यानी इनफॅक्ट खूप देवळांनी विजीट केला, पेडण्या प्लस आमच्या हांगा कासारपाली कालिका देवस्थान. आणि ह्या विजिटाक आमच्या गांवचे सगळे सरपंच पंच आणि ह्या देवस्थानाचे सगळे अध्यक्ष आणि महाजन सगळे असले. आमकां खूप बरें दिसलें की म्हाका खूप बरें दिसलें म्हज्या मतदारसंघान तांच्यांनी आज विजीट केली. तशें आमचे जर गव्हर्नर जर पळयशे ऑनरेबल गव्हर्नर, तांकां ही इज बेजिकली अ लॉयर, पण तांकां रायटिंगाचो खूप हे शौक आसा आनी तांच्यांनी अशी कितलीशीच पुस्तकां बरयलीं. हाच्या पयलीं तांच्यांनी फूल गोंयभर भोंवन गोंयांतलीं झाडां जी जुनी आसा ताचेर केल्ली. आनी आज जी ही तांच्यांनी जी विजीट केली हाचें कारण म्हणजे हल्लीच जेन्ना पहलगाम अटॅक जाल्लो तेन्ना त्यांनी ठरयल्लें की त्यांनी प्रे केल्ले की आपण देवळांनी विजीट करतलो आणि हो जो अटॅक आसा तो तिसरच रावपाचो आणि बरी आमच्या देशाची आमची परत समृद्धी जावची. आणि ती ही मनोवच्या खातीर आज हे भरता. आतां हांगच्यान ते फुडें वाळपय वतले, मागीर बेती वतले आणि मागीर ते हाचेर गव्हर्नर रेजिडन्सा वतले. जेन्ना तांच्यांनी हांगा भोंवले तांकां देवूळ खूब आवडलें. तांच्यांनी हांगा तांचे महाजनांनी म्युजियमय दाखयलें. तांच्यांनी ह्या देवळाचें लिटरेचरय घेतलें आणि तांची एक इच्छा आसा की ह्या देवळांचेर तांणी एक पुस्तक बरोवपाचें म्हणून. सो लिटरेचर डेफिनेटली ते पुस्तक बरयतले. हांव सगळ्या महाजनाचे, सगळ्या ग्रामस्थांचे, सगळे पंचायतीचे मनापासून आभार मानता. म्हज्या बरोबर आमचे मंडळ अध्यक्ष डॉक्टर कस्तूर पाटणेकाराय आसले आनी सगळी कमिटीचे मेंबराय आसले. देव बरें.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
पळय गो. शी, पाड पडू हांचे. कसलो सावार आयला देव जाणा. कितले आशेन हाडिल्ले हांवें सगळे.
मम्मा तू चड चिंतू नाका. राव, हे पळय सगळ्यात शुद्ध पंचामृत जे दिता शुद्धता आणि पौष्टिकतेची हमी, आणि त्याच वांगडा ही वेगवेगळी शुद्ध तेलां आणि बरेच प्रोडक्ट्स.
अशें
जशी आवयची माया जायना कमी, पंचामृता दिता शुद्धतेची हमी. पंचामृता